inflation continuing to ease in December. Some Fed officials don't appear all that satisfied with the rate of decline. Yahoo Finance's Jen Schonberger covers the Fed for us, and she has the latest. Jen, what are we hearing?
Good afternoon, Dave. Fed officials weighing in on that cooler December CPI number and what it could mean for future rate hikes at upcoming meetings. St. Louis Fed President James Bullard called the latest CPI report, quote, encouraging, but said inflation is still high and appeared to favor a 50 basis point rate hike at the Fed's next policy meeting, saying that he liked front-loading policy. Speaking at an event for the Wisconsin Bankers Association, Bullard said, quote, I like the front-loading policy. I think if we want to get to the low 5% range, that we should go ahead and move to that level. I don't see the purpose of dragging things out through 2023. That doesn't seem to help us if the idea is to get to the right level of the policy rate and then allow that to put the downward pressure on inflation. But Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker said this morning he expects that eye-popping inflation readings of 2022 are behind us and that it makes sense to slow down the pace of rate hikes. Harker said in remarks prepared ahead of the CPI report, quote, I expect that we will raise rates a few more times this year, though in my mind, the days of us raising them 75 basis points at a time have surely passed. In my view, hikes of 25 basis points will be appropriate going forward. Now, markets are pricing in a 25 basis point rate hike for the next policy meeting on February 1st.